name is Aarti. I am learning in 8th class. My school name is ZPHS School, Pankanaigaon. So today I am tell about one topic and that information of that topic. Dr. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Radhakrishnan, and this book written by Dr. And this book written by Prachi Gondolekar. And this book price is only 50 rupees. Only 50 rupees. I like it. I like it. This book. This book is information of the Dr. Radhakrishnan. Radhakrishnan. So friend, what is what was Radhakrishnan? So I started the information of the Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. So friend, Dr. Radhakrishnan. There is so the she sorry Dr. Radhakrishnan live one small village, that is very nice village, and there is so sweet, there is so much sweetness in the in name in of the name Radhakrishnan. And trusted of the village, and trusted live of the village, Sarvapalli, live of the village Sarvapalli, and Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is uh, very sweetness name. Dr. Radhakrishnan, Radha and Krishna. This is very cuteness and sweetness name. Radhakrishnan is a real village name is Sarvapalli, but Sarvapalli live in the Andhra Pradesh, Radhakrishnan is very Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is very very big